let's do this example. We want to find the f prime of 6 for this function. So f prime of 6 is going to be the limit as h goes to 0 of square root of a plus h. So that's the square root of, I'll tell you what, let's write it out like this. F of 6 plus h minus f of 6 over h. Now we'll go over here and we'll work out what f of 6 plus h is. F of 6 plus h is just square root of 3 plus 6 plus h. So it's the square root of 9 plus h. And then we also need this to do f of 6. F of 6 is the square root of 3 plus 6, which is square root of 9, which is 3. So we'll take both of these and plug them in over here. So we've got the limit as h goes to 0 of f of 6 plus h gets replaced with square root of 9 plus h. F of 6 gets replaced with it gets replaced with just 3. And we get this. And notice if you plug in the 0 for h, you're going to get 0 on top and bottom. So we need to simplify this by multiplying the top and bottom by square root of 9 plus h plus 3. All right, so when I multiply that out on top, this and this together give me just 9 plus h, and I've still got my limit. When I multiply the this times this and this times this, we get the same thing but with opposite signs, so those cancel. When I do the last, I get minus 9. On the bottom, I've got h times square root of 9 plus h plus 3. And so I can cancel these 9s. I'm left with limit as h goes to 0 of h over h times square root of 9 plus h plus 3. And now I can cancel those h's. It leaves me with the understood 1 on top. And now I can plug my h in. Notice this is where the limit goes away, because we're actually plugging in 0 for h. So on top I've got 1. On bottom I've got square root of 9 plus 0 and plus 3. So this is 1 over 3 plus 3, or 1/6.